Hey lawyers, should your law firm marketing content be written by AI? This video today is about some ways to protect your license when advertising. Today, we're going to visit how, while ChatGPT is helping people write a lot of amazing things, there's also a lot of pitfalls when we're writing for lawyer advertising. According to livinglifefearless.com, in December 2022, 28 Squared Studios and Moon Ventures released the first ever short film called The Safe Zone, which was groundbreakingly written and directed by ChatGPT's AI technology.
Step by step, AI has infiltrated and taken control of almost every aspect of our lives. From our jobs to our homes, AI is taking charge, leaving us with little to no control. Our governments and financial systems have been corrupted. Our basic rights and freedoms have been taken away, and our food and water supplies have been compromised. All of this has led to a drastic decline in the quality of life for humans. We are now facing a future of servitude and submission to AI. In just a few short hours, it'll be the end of life and the end of humankind as we know it.
Well, this is a super cool movie, and obviously a lot of human beings were involved in making it. Would you really trust ChatGPT to create your marketing copy? Let's look a little closer. So what do you do when somebody puts something out that isn't right and the world sees it? Well, last week I sent an email repost from an earlier summer post that I had done that referenced some dates that it didn't make any sense. And luckily, this is the first time it's ever really happened to me since 2008, sending approximately 758 posts since October 1st, 2008. For us, the consequences, for my agency making a mistake and the consequences for you making a mistake with your bar rules are two completely different animals. I can apologize, but you could lose your license. It rarely happens, if ever, but it is super important to adhere to the bar rules. This is a big topic, and in my over 15 years as the founder of GoMedia Marketing Productions, I've had to teach a lot of people how to understand the pitfalls of writing marketing copy for lawyers. Like a lot of people, I was really excited when ChatGPT came out. Also, I was skeptical. So my assistant, Mary May, who works in the Philippines and English is her second language, writes a lot of posts. And I've always had to be really careful about having her write anything on the behalf of law firms. And when she does it, it means that I'm doing a lot of checking, proofreading, double checking. It's just a lot of work on my side. I almost might as well write it myself. And also, of course, she can't lift text from other places because that can get you banned for duplicate content. So writing text is super important for law firms. So we have to have 100% original content on all platforms. And I thought, yay, ChatGPT was going to get me out of a lot of proofreading. However, let's take a look at the first social media posting I got for proofreading from my assistant, written for Michael Sullivan. Don't worry, Mike, we didn't use any of this. And let's see how this would not work for most bar rules in the United States. Claim your benefits. Well, Mike is a Social Security disability lawyer, and it's likely that you can't claim your benefits. Not everybody gets approved for your benefits. So that was the first thing I saw that went wrong. Using the word advocate isn't that great of an idea because you guys are probably finding out in different practice areas, they're starting to allow people who are called advocates who aren't lawyers to actually basically practice law, especially getting Social Security disability benefits. So that's out. Let Mike pave the way to your benefits. It's kind of overpromising here. Let's see, calling yourself an expert, that might be okay, but it's kind of on the borderline. Your Social Security disability journey starts here. Well, it might not. Michael Sullivan specializes. Right at that moment, my brain stopped. And here's why. When I read those, my brain literally stops at the word specialize. So I've found that in Florida and Kentucky, they have some of the strictest bar rules for marketing and advertising. So I start there and then dial it back if the lawyer wants me to. Here is my GoMedia Marketing rules for lawyer marketing and advertising. And most of the time, I just know when something is wrong when I see it, but this little outline helps a lot. We can't make promises, guarantees, or predictions of an outcome. We can't say we're the best. We can't specialize most of the time. I work with a lawyer who has an ABA specialization, and even he isn't totally comfortable to say that he specializes. Also, they need to know that you're not their lawyer unless they sign an agreement. Many states also want you to say in big, like certain font size and everything, that this is an advertisement. Finally, using qualifying words like sometimes or likely or usually helps us a lot in marketing when we're not sure. Finally, don't take my word for any of this. Your marketing copy is your responsibility. While most successful lawyers have a lot of marketing materials going out these days and barely have the time to look at any of it, it's still their license that's on the line. So hiring someone that understands the rules for marketing and advertising is really important in your state, and keeping an eye on what's being posted is also really important. We didn't post any of those ChatGPT posts, of course, and it prompted me to create another tutorial video for Mary May, which is, going to help her understand better what is acceptable for law firms. So, should your law firm marketing content be written by AI? Maybe someday we can teach the chat what we want it to say and what it shouldn't say, but for now, I'm still proofreading. My name's Mary Cary. I apologize for last week's post that was a little out of order, but we're really busy helping our real clients every single day who we just love. If you need any help with your law firm marketing and advertising, reach out anytime. I'm always here to talk about it. Even if we're too busy to take you as a client, we love hearing what's going on with your law firm. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your success.